Hi everyone, how are you today? Well, because it's February and Valentine's Day is in February, we're going to do a craft today that you can use to decorate your house. Now, to do this craft, you need a piece of wax paper and some white glue that you add water to make it really runny. And then you'll need some tissue paper and some red paper. And I have this at the library if you'd like to get some. So the first part is just to take some of that glue, put it on your wax paper and add tissue paper. And it can go over top of each other. And we just need to fill in the spaces. While you're doing this, you might want to sing a song like Skinnamarink dinky dink, skinnamarink doo, I love you. Skinnamarink dinky dink, skinnamarink doo, I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening underneath the moon. Skinnamarink dinky dink, skinnamarink doo, I love you. Then we just keep adding tissue paper. We don't need to go right to the edges. And if you need another song to sing, and you can make this one go as long as you want. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody and they love me too. How about love my mommy, yes I do. Love my mommy, yes I do. Love my mommy, yes I do. Love my mommy and she loves me too. Who else should we sing that song to? Love my daddy, yes I do. Love my daddy, yes I do. Love my daddy, yes I do. Love my daddy and he loves me too. Who else should we sing that to? Can you think of somebody? Love my brother, yes I do. Love my brother, yes I do. Love my brother, yes I do. Love my brother and he loves me too. Love my grandma, yes I do. Love my grandma, yes I do. Love my grandma, yes I do. Love my grandma and she loves me too. And we could keep that song going all day. I'm not going to finish this. I'm just going to show you a trick. This makes it look beautiful. When you're done putting your tissue paper on, take that watered down glue and paint over top of it. And that makes it shiny. This is going to look like a stained glass window when you're done. So you can hang it in your window and it will be beautiful. Then you're going to have to let it dry. After it dries, here's one that I made that's already dry. Then we take a cutout of a heart and we're going to glue it on to our wax paper. So when you're doing your tissue paper, you just need to make it big enough to fit inside this heart. And I'm just going to do this quickly. And you could make lots of these and put them in your window and they would look beautiful. So then you glue your heart on top. Just like that. Oh, I guess I need to get more glue on there. You'll take time to do yours better, I know. And then we just need to cut out around the heart and you will have a stained glass picture for your window. So if you want to come to the library, I can have some of these materials here for you. You probably have all of this stuff at home, but you might not have tissue paper. So have fun making some decorations, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.